Hello buddies. So in this video we are continuing our Firebase application. So last video we set up all the codes for sending OTP and verifying OTP. Okay. So in this one we are going to connect the UIs and we are going to process all those actions. Okay. So without wasting time, let's jump into the code. Okay. Yeah. So you can see it over here. So we are adding the mobile number. So this is the on change one. So I'm going to just check over here if just going to add some small things. It's like it's digit only. So if we are mobile number is only digit, there is no special character, nothing will we are not going to allowed. So if it is digit, we are going to add it over here, otherwise we are not going to add it in that variable. Okay, so that is the only thing. And it dot length less than or equal to 10. Okay, so less than or equal, if it is less than or equal to 10, then only we are going to allow inside. So for the mobile application, that is the way of procedure. Okay, so then I'm just running it again. Let's see what will be happen. So after we are going to, I'm just going to this onboarding thing. Okay, so if I go inside the onboarding, you can see the actions. So sign up click. Okay, you can find what we did in a sign up click. Okay, yeah, so in sign up we have this and send OTP. If we are sending OTP, this is the process of sending OTP. Okay, so once we are in, okay, yeah, sign up came, so let's sign up. Okay, Charles, mobile number, we have a test number, right? So I'll just enter the test number and send OTP. It's crashed. What happened? We can go to the login. Let's find out. Okay, yeah, so this activity, so we didn't pass the activity in a provide activity format. Okay, so we are going here, so in this one, so I'm just going here dot provide activity this. Okay, yeah, now I'm running again. So this time it should work, it needs to work. Okay, so let's see. Okay, same name. Okay, yeah, let's send OTP. What happened? There is an error or what? Okay, failed to get reCAPTCHA token with error. Okay, working now actually. So let's try once more now. Yeah, so I'm sending OTP. Yeah, it will go to the Chrome. It will open the Chrome and it will verify the captcha and it will return back. So the problem is the SHA key which we added, it is little bit wrong. So I generated a SHA key again and I added in the Firebase and then I downloaded once again. Then it is going. Okay, so now the OTP is sent. Okay, but we didn't have a navigation over here. So what we need to do, we need to have a navigation. Then we need to process once it is done, we need to process the navigation to the next screen. Okay, so that's what I am going to do is like, so where is the screen? So this is the screen, this is action, right? So in this navigation, not this navigation, sign up. Okay, this is not sign up actually, this is a sign up screen, mean this is login. Okay, login, but this is the one. Okay, action dot sign up click. Okay, in this click we are sending this one. So but I'm going to add one lambda function for this. It's a callback for navigation. Okay, so it is like I'm going to do like where status boolean. Okay, return, there is no return, it is unit. Okay, so here status. Okay. Okay, yeah, so now this is the lambda status, so it will take callback when it is done. We are going to do that. So once it is done, I'm just going to call back it. Okay, so if so this should be a status. Okay, if it is a status, we are going to navigate that to the particular navigation. It is like nav controller. Where is our nav controller dot navigate to onboarding navigation object dot OTP screen. Okay, so there is a OTP screen. We are going to navigate once the status is this. Okay, so the same thing, so this status we need to get, right? So that one we are going to get it over here. So this is a sign up click. Okay, I'm just going back to the sign up click. So then here event dot status. Okay, so just I'm going to pause this status over here. Okay, so from this status we are going to navigate back. Okay, so what we are doing here, database reference, well, if username is not null here, then again I am sending the status inside here. Okay, okay, so inside here we are sending a status. So this status should be phone provider dot verified. Okay, yeah, so after this status should be true. Okay, so if anything went wrong, we are going to pass the status as false here. Okay, so then we are not going to navigate, and we can process the error message also. So how we are going to show the error message, we will do that. You can do it by what is that? Okay, so we can send it over here true, and if it is fail, we can do it here false. Okay, okay, so that is the correct place. Here also it is cancelled, means we can say it as false. Okay, yeah, done. Okay, so this is the way. So then let's now it will navigate to the OTP screen. Okay, so then let me go to the OTP screen first. Okay, so each time it will run, means it will take long time for running itself. So let's see, finish the OTP screen too, then we'll go to this. Okay, so here where we have the column box, image text, leading text, OTP. Okay, row, solid button. Okay, this is recent OTP. Yeah, leading icon text field. Okay, so this one is ours. So here we don't have only navigation controller is there. So for this we are going to add one string, or we don't want a string itself directly, so I'll just one custom variable here. Okay, val OTP text is equal to, remember, okay, mutable state of string. Okay, so this is the OTP text string. So where is the leading state? Okay, so this one will have this value. Okay, then here if the same method, it dot is digit only, and it dot length less than or equal to 6. Okay, means we are going to add dot value is equal to it. Okay, so then the OTP, where is this event? Okay, so OTP verification event, we don't want this user module actually. Okay, instead of user module we just add val OTP text string. Okay, OTP text string. So this one I'm going to send it solid button. So here, okay, action. Okay, only navi controller we passed, so but we need to pass this one too from the onboarding navigation. Okay, so this action too we need to send it to OTP. Okay, here only, right? Not here, here. Okay, yeah, reflect. Okay, once I added, this is action. Okay, I don't want the preview. Action, I don't want to send here. What is that? Onboarding event dot OTP verification. Click here. We are going to OTP text dot value. Okay, yeah, this is the one I am pausing. So here also we need a callback to navigate to the main screen or main activity directly. Okay, so I'm just adding the same thing, status. Okay, so if status is means so here we can't start the activity, so we need to get a context. Okay, well, context local context dot current. Okay, I'm just getting the context. Start activity intent. Okay, context comma. So what is our main activity actually? So main screen, there is no main screen activity, so we'll do this main activity. Okay, main activity dot class dot java. So dot apply. Okay, dot apply is different, so we want to apply something means we can apply. So but we need to change this string like this. Okay, so here. Okay, this one should be here. Then in login also we need to add that one. Okay, so now I'm going to that OTP screen. So error went. Okay, so now we need to check after if this one is success, it is going to that main activity. Okay, so where is it? Onboarding navigation, onboarding view model, we need to go now. Okay, in the view model action. Okay, OTP action, we are going to pass event dot OTP text comma event dot status. Okay, so status we didn't add a parameter, so I'm just adding a parameter. Okay, so once I'm going inside that, code is fine, code will work. This one we need to send verify OTP. Okay, so once I send the verify OTP, so we will go inside the verify OTP here, or what is it? So if it is a success one, status we can send back. If it is a success failure, we are going to pass fail. Okay, so the same thing here also, false. Okay, so then here we can do like success, true. Okay, so we need to add a loader for this one too. So if in the meantime it should be a loader status. So those things and all we need to add. Actually we need to have one class called event class. So actually we have a event class, event. Okay, event. Oh, so okay, so this is a event action. So actually we need to have a view model class in between the compose and this one. So actually we don't have that one, we will add that one later. Okay, when it is highly necessary. I thought this doesn't necessary. Okay, so I think this is good right now. Let me run it once. Okay, let's see how it is, if it is running or it is working correctly or not. Okay, our application runs. Yeah, let me, okay, once again this zoom also. Okay, yeah, sign up. Okay, this one, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's send OTP. Yeah, verification done. So we navigate to the next one. So now it is like after verification centered, it is navigating. So now the password for our test application is this one. So now it's not, we need to change the text. Okay, forget about that, send OTP. Let me, yeah, so it is crashing. I think we didn't register the main activity in the manifest, that's why it is crashing. Unable to find the exploits activity. Okay, so actually that is a problem. I can show you the data which is entered in the Firebase. Let me check the Firebase. Okay, so yeah, here we need to add the activity, main activity. Okay, yeah, so let me see, where is the real-time DB? Let me show you. Yeah, so here you can see this is the real-time DB of our Firebase chat application. So if I go inside the username, so you can see here this is our user ID. So instead of this user ID, you need to place this ID. We need to place this ID. Okay, I need to place this ID. After that, I place the ID. So this is a unique ID for each. This inside this route, we are getting this unique push key. So that is the ID for each user. Okay, so next time, let me check. Okay, will we just need to change that only one node? Where is it? Okay, finding the files is hardest part in this application. Okay, yeah, not in Jetpack Compose application. Okay, so OTP verification, click. Okay, oh my god. Okay, here, this one. Okay, this one. Okay, yeah, so here this is the key. In this key we are going to set the user model. Okay, so that key we are going to user model dot id. So our id is int, but Firebase we don't want the int id. In Firebase we can change this to string. Okay, I'm just going back, is equal to key or it. Okay, what is that? Copy user ID it. Okay, yeah, now this is fine. Okay, now this should be with this will have a user key. Okay, user ID. So this is sign up for, so the sign up flow is completely fine right now for us. So let me see a login flow now. Okay, so in the login screen, let's first we'll check the, what is that, text box. Okay, so mobile number we didn't enable over here. Okay, so let me check. Okay, close other tabs, we'll go to the sign up. Okay, so in this sign up, for mobile number, what we have for the mobile number, the same thing we need to add it in the login. Okay, so our login, so we don't have user module in the login. I don't understand. We need to add the mobile user module. So remember state only, right? So that's just copy. So because this is if we type, and it will take more time, so instead of typing and doing something like that, so we time saving only, right? Okay, so only mobile number, direct mobile number, we are not going to pass anything else for this. Okay, so the value will be this one. Okay, value will be this one, value will be this. Okay, so once it is done, where is the click option? So click option is this one. Here I'm going to do the same thing, which one they are doing over here. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, yeah, so actions for this one also, we doesn't have action, I think. Yeah, let me pause the actions for login screen too. Yeah, login screen we have action, I think I didn't. Okay, action. Okay, yeah, now it is great. Okay, so instead of here OTP, here same OTP screen only, there is no change in the OTP screen, and in OTP screen the functionality is the same. So we are going to send the OTP, then we are going to return back the same thing. Okay, so there is no change in the OTP also. Okay, OTP screen here also we don't want to do anything, so here it is fine. So only thing we need to do is, before clicking or before doing something, we need to check if user dot mobile number dot length equal to 10. Okay, so because only if it is 10 we need to show that, else we need to show the some error message. Okay, so this is what we are going to do right now. We are not going to do right now, I'm just showing. Okay, so this is fine. So now in the onboarding navigation view model screen, we will go to this login click. Okay, in the login click I didn't have anything yet. Okay, so the only thing we need to do, we need to find out this sign up like this. Okay, so I'm just copying this one. Okay, so here try catch exception. Okay, inside try I am just adding that one. Okay, so this status and all we need to go from here. Okay, event dot user model comma event dot status. Okay, so we need to add a parameter for both. Okay, user model and status. Okay, in the user model only we are going to user mobile number. Okay, order by child mobile number, so mobile number will be user model. In the sense we are having, we need to show. So this is not a correct architecture. So if you want to know the correct architectural way, just I have another one, previous my first tutorial for notes, so that will have a correct architectural format. So this one is for only mainly for Firebase. So we are, this is also correct way you can do it like this. Just I am showing. Okay, okay, the username, so user one. So we are with mobile number, this mobile number is exist or not, we are checking. So if it is checking, we are not going to, yeah, actually we are going to send OTP. Okay, we are going to send OTP, and the when OTP is verified, we are going to navigate them inside that. Okay, so if the user is exist here, if the user is exist, we are going to send OTP. Otherwise we are not going to send OTP. We are going to do only one thing, it's user DOSC doesn't exist. Okay, we need to send them to login. Okay, so now this status should be false. False, we are not going to navigate, they need to go and login. Okay, so just I'm running again. Okay, yeah, application runs, so we'll check the login. So the login will be like same thing, right? 1 2 9 10. Okay, so 0. So now I am setting send OTP. So user already exists. Why? Once again login, OTP screen, right? Object. Okay, here. Okay, here this is not a sign up screen, right? Login click. Okay, so now I am running again. Yeah, so I am logging in. Okay, it's working. So the send OTP is working, means the user is already exist, is filled one. Now it is going to OTP. So I'm going to enter the OTP. So send OTP. Yeah, so now we are in the main screen, which means the main activity screen. Okay, so this is how I think we convert the flows for the login and sign up. So let me add one more thing. It is like navigations. Okay, so in the navigation, let me add one more thing. We'll add the error forms, how to show the error. It's like we are going to use the snack bar, right? So for using the snack bar, I'm just going to use scatfold. Okay, scatfold. Okay, forget me whatever the English about the English. I'm very bad in Englishes. Okay, so here we have a snack bar host. Okay, so why this is giving error means we need to take the padding value, and we need to use padding value somewhere. Okay, so that's why it is giving some issues. Okay, padding value, so now it won't give issues. Okay, so in snack bar we are having we need to show the snack bar host state, and it's like we need to create snack bar host. Okay, so snack bar host we need to add, and we can add some modifier also where we need to show the modifier. Okay, so snack bar host is like we need to create val snackbar hosted is equal to, remember, where is it, okay, yeah, remember here, remember snackbar host state, okay, yeah, this one only. So this snackbar host state, I'm going to pass it over here, fine, okay. So with this snackbar host state, we are going to add the snackbar host state in the bottom. Once again, bottom means we can add it inside, okay. Snackbar host state dot value, okay. So the thing is, we need to create one module for that also. It's like, it's not like we can show the snack bar over here. It's like we need to create a scope, okay, for this. Well, okay, so scope should be like from where, once again. Yeah, remember coroutine scope is the scope, okay. So once we have a scope, we are going to launch the scope dot launch, okay. So inside the scope we are going to add the snack bar, not this one, what we created, snack bar state dot store snack bar, okay. Here message will be some message which we want to store, okay. Then here success or failure label, here duration should be snack bar host duration dot short, okay. We are going to show the short one only. Why it is like this? What is this? Call to launch should happen inside the launch effect and compensation, okay. Okay, so this is the one. So we are not going to do in this way actually. So I'm going to just add one class for snack bar, okay. So through the snack bars class only we are going to process everything, okay. So let's go to the util, not util, I'm just going to the model, or fine, util only will create, okay. I'm just creating one data class which is like snack bar state, okay. This should be a data class. So this data class will have where status, not status, show boolean is equal to false, okay. Well, message, what is the message, is equal to string, okay. Message will be string. Then val show, yeah, error, okay. Boolean is equal to false, okay. So these are the three parameters which we are going to have in our snack bar state. So in this snack bar state we are going to use in our application, in our screen, like, where is it, not view model, not login, how, here, okay. So here in the top one we are going to add it like snack bar, where is it, snack bar state, okay. So actually we have a snack bar state, there is a snack bar host state is equal to. So in this view model we need to have one more thing, like we are going state flow of snack bar state is equal to underscore snack bar date as state flow, okay. So in this snack bar, whenever we are changing the value of this snack bar, it will change, okay. So we are going to use this one throughout that one. Before that I'm going to check that one here, onboarding dot snack bar state, okay, collect as state, okay. So this snack bar state should have this one. Okay, actually let's try by. Okay, so whenever the show changes, this launch effect will act. This will work. Okay, here inside snackbar dot show, if it want to show, we are going to show the snackbar. Then message should be snackbar dot message. Success or failure should based on if snackbar dot is error, means error, else success. Okay, short duration. Okay, so this is the common part. I think this is fine for now. So let's create a snack bar. How to show the snack bar? So in the view model, wherever we are showing the errors, we are going to show the snack bar. So here user does not exist. Okay, here we are not going to use this snack bar underscore this one dot value. So it is a mutable state, so we need to copy that one, value dot copy. Okay, show is equal to true, then is error is equal to true, then message exist, please sign up. Okay, so this is the same thing, we are going to use it everywhere. Here po.message. Okay, so the same thing for user already exist. Try to log in. Okay, so this is a few messages we added. I'll just stop it and run our I'm going to sign up with the same mobile number, okay, which we have before. Okay, let's see. So user already exists, please try again, error. Okay, so this is how our application errors is now. So now we have completed the login sign up with the error messages for this application. Next we are directly going to jump into the user main screen and we are going to work on it. Okay, yeah, thank you.